Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel. Hope so you all are fine. Today I have a question: x plus 100 whole square which is equal to 2x plus 199, and from this given equation we will find this unknown x. So here we have x plus 100 whole square which is equal to 2x, and we can write 199 as 200 minus 1. So we will write 199 as 200 minus 1. So it will become x plus 100 whole square, and from these two terms we have 2 is common here, so we will take common 2. So 2x divided by 2 is x, and 200 divided by 2 will be 100 minus 1. Now you can see here x plus 100 and x plus 100 is same, so we will suppose that c is equal to x plus 100. So it will become c square which is equal to 2 times c minus 1. So we can write above equation as c square minus 2c plus 1 which is equal to 0. Now you can see here it is the form of a square plus b square plus 2 minus 2ab. So we can write above equation as c minus 1 whole square which is equal to 0. Now we will take square root on both sides. So square and square root will be cancelled. So c minus 1 is equal to square root of 0 will be 0. So from here we will get the value of c which is equal to 1. But here c is equal to x plus 100. Because we have to find the value of x, so we will put the value of c here which is 1 which is equal to x plus 100. So 1 minus 100 is equal to x. So the value of x is equal to minus 99. To check the value of x, we will put the value of x in given equation, which is x plus 100 whole square which is equal to 2x plus 199. So value of x is minus 99 plus 100 whole square which is equal to 2 times minus 99 plus 199. So it will become 1 square, and 2 into minus 99 will be equal to minus 198 plus 199. 1 square will be equal to 1, and minus 198 plus 199 will also be equal to 1. So both sides are equal. It means the value of x, which is minus 99, satisfy our given equation. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.